Dean, the School of Medicine, distinguished invitees, colleagues, students from various schools, and ladies and gentlemen. So I would like to welcome you all to Brain Bee Challenge Award Ceremony. So we are deeply honored to have our Dean, Prof Seng. On behalf of the Singapore Neuroscience Association, I would like to welcome him and thank him for gracing this event. And I hope he will continue to support our SNA activities in future. So I'm pleased to tell you more about Singapore Neuroscience Association. And the Singapore Neuroscience Association is a non-profit organization. Our main objective is to encourage dialogue and collaborations among neuroscientists in Singapore. The Singapore Neuroscience Association is affiliated to regional and international brain organizations. For example, Federation of Asian Oceanian Neuroscience Societies, which is a regional organization. And we are also affiliated to International Brain Research Organization. And recently we have joined with the International Brain Bee Challenge. So let's look at the history of the Singapore Neuroscience Association. It was launched almost 31 years ago in 1988. The first president was Professor Lawrence Gary. He was then a faculty member in the Department of Anatomy. And 5 years ago, we celebrated Silver Jubilee. And he was succeeded by Dr. Ton Chun Kim. He was the trustee of Kwan Im Tong Hucho Temple. And he was succeeded by Emeritus Professor Ling Eng Yang and by Prof Samuel Tay, finally SE. So this is the current Singapore Neuroscience Association Council. The SNA promotes neuroscience research in Singapore by encouraging collaboration between basic scientists and clinicians, and promoting and training young researchers, and promoting public awareness about neuroscience problems. So we organize various conferences, local, regional, and international, and periodically we organize SNA symposium regularly, and we also, in partnership with the International Anatomical Sciences and Cell Biology Conference, Neurochemistry Conference, and so on. So we train young neuroscientists in neuroscience education and research in Singapore by providing financial support to students, postdocs for attending international conferences. So we organize neuroscience school. So far we have organized 2 neuroscience schools for medical students, PhD students and postdocs in partnership with International Brain Research Organization. So many participants from Asia participated in this school. So we had so far 2 neuroscience schools. We promote public awareness about neuroscience education and research. And recently we joined with the International Brain Bee Challenge, and we formed a Singapore Brain Bee Challenge. And I'm the national coordinator of the Singapore Brain Bee Challenge. This was first, we had this Brain Bee Challenge, and our guest of honor was the Prof Barry Halliwell. We also recognize local eminent neuroscientists by giving SNA awards. So there are a number of categories. For example, Lifetime Achievement Award, Distinguished Neuroscientist Award, Excellence in Neuroscience Research Award, Young Neuroscientist Award, and Neuroscience Educator Award. The first Lifetime Achievement Award recipient was the Prof Ling, Emeritus Professor Ling Eng Yang, and later it was given to Prof. Barry Halliwell. Recently, Prof. Peter Wong received this Lifetime Achievement Award. So these are the eminent neuroscientists who received SNA award last few years. Prof. Sung Takwa, Prof. Ong Wei Yi, Prof. Samuel Tay, Prof. Sanjay Khanna, Prof. Charanjit Kaur, and Prof. Ng E Kong, and Prof. Kevin, and myself, and Saji Kumar, and Prof. Lim Kol Yang, and Prof. Tiruma Armugam. Right, so this is the, I think 2018, these are the recipients. And we also publish SNA newsletter for updates on recent happenings in brain research in Singapore. If you need more information about SNA, you can access neuroscience.org.sg. So finally, I would like to thank you all, thank SNA committee for supporting our activities and events. Thank you.